What's going on, traders? It's Vala here. I haven't had a heart-to-heart type conversation with you guys in a while, and I figured what better time than when the market is absolutely trash. If you're looking at the charts, this is the open right here at 9:30, and we've literally went sideways the entire time. And it really got me thinking, what are the vast majority of people doing on days like today? And I know a lot of people, they're wired to trade, right? You can't make money if you don't trade. However, what a lot of people don't understand is that sometimes when you're not actually trading, you're actually trading. And what I mean by that is the big goal in trading is risk management, consistency. Those are two things that I preach all the time. But preserving your capital is trading. The end of the day, the end of the week, the end of the month, the end of the year, your goal is to finish the day with more money than you started with, right? Preserving your capital by not taking trades in a market that provides absolutely no setups is trading. And a lot of people don't understand that. Just because you have one day where you don't trade, but then you may have the next day where volatility goes crazy on some news, no matter what it is, and you end up with 10 trades, right? Where normally on average you get 2, 3 trades a day. It could be just a normal average day tomorrow. You might get 2, 3 trades tomorrow. You might get no trades again, right? But then when you start having a day or a week like we're having currently, where there's absolutely nothing to trade, you have to start zooming out, right? You have to, instead of looking at your P&L on a daily basis, maybe zoom out to look at it on a weekly basis, maybe a month, maybe the year to date. But what I'm getting at is patience. There's going to be days where you're sitting here and it feels like you're accomplishing nothing. But on the days that you're accomplishing nothing, or where you feel like you're accomplishing nothing, you are actually accomplishing way more than you think. And that is the art of patience. And a lot of people in trading do not have that. How many times are you including yourself in a day where you see another guru on a day like today blow up some accounts because they tried to force trades, all because they're live, right? And they feel like they have to trade, or whatever the reason is that they end up blowing accounts, and you're right there with them. And at the end of the day, you're like, man, I shouldn't even have been taking that trade. That was not my setup, right? It happens all the time. And I see it happen all the time. I have people tell me they do it all the time. And I guess this is kind of my way of saying, don't let that happen.